Hello guys, welcome back to our channel. So, if you're trying to connect your Dell D3100 docking station to a laptop, you might be unsure about the correct setup, especially if it's your first time using a USB docking station. The D3100 is designed to expand your laptop's connectivity by adding multiple USB ports, display outputs, and other features, but it requires the proper connection process to work smoothly. Many users plug everything in but still face issues like monitors not displaying or devices not being recognized. Once everything is set up properly, your laptop can easily transform into a complete workstation. So guys, in this video, I'll guide you through the exact steps to connect your Dell D3100 docking station correctly. Try these. Step 1. Connect the docking station to a power source. Step 2. Plug the USB cable from the dock into your laptop. Step 3. Wait for the system to detect the docking station. Step 4. Connect monitors and other devices to the dock. Step 5. Check system settings to confirm devices are recognized. Step 6. Test all connections to ensure everything is working properly.